Good morning, beautiful people. All right. Let's check our news for the day. As I always just put, is there any news affecting the market today? So, geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and ongoing corporate earnings reports are the primary drivers of today's markets. Investors are digesting recent escalations with Iran alongside fading hopes for a ceasefire. Meanwhile, major indices like S&P and Nasdaq are attempting a rebound, heavily lifted by recovering chip and tech stocks. Okay. So index futures, S&P, climate. Okay. Energy sector, so oil, earnings, tech, and bank giants remain in the focus. Okay. So we know that the Nasdaq is heavy tech focused. We refresh Forex Factory, no news. We go financial juice. News they got. Also, I'm gonna open up. We're gonna look at Fear and Greed Index. See where that's at today. Oh, okay. The market is fearful today. And let's go back. First, y'all, so we're gonna do our time frame analysis. So what I realized is I'll be all the way out. Just zoom in. And let me delete these. Hold on, y'all. These are the zones I marked up yesterday. Also, I did learn like how to better utilize the London high and low. Alright, so I'm gonna bring that in. Alright, so I realized that I need to go further out when it comes to, let me just see where the market is at today. So currently right now, just looking at this overall market structure for the daily. Overall, we're in an uptrend, but let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, let's mark up. Okay, we got a 4 hour demand zone. And the rest are 4 hour supply zone. Zoom it out. I'm learning to also zoom out farther. That's what I've noticed. Zoom out further. Green 1 hour. Set demand zone 1 hour. See some here. 1 hour. Spot on 1 hour. Miss any? Nope. Okay. It's at 30 minutes. Around 30 minutes, we zooming out. We got a few. We got a few right here. So we're doing a 30-minute demand zone. I don't have any more here. Let's go 15-minute. Zone out. See this? View. Take this 15-minute supply zone. Oh, that's the supply zone. Yeah, these kind of overlap with that. Let me see. Yeah, that overlap and higher time frame is always better. Okay. Now I need to look and see high and low of the London. Well, let me see how did it look in the Asian today. Okay, so Asian, it was an uptrend. London right now looks like it's consolidating at the moment. Mark the London high and low. Or was that? Hold on, that's why she had the 2-minute. We go to the 2-minute, y'all. Yeah, so you see a different story-ish on the 2-minute. Alright, y'all, let me do this Fibonacci. Now I need to get my T. There's it right now, marking the high and low. Okay, now let me go to the 1-minute. Okay, y'all, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my T. Alright, y'all. We got 5 minutes till the market open. Got 5 minutes to the market open. Okay, let me get my music going. Remember, I listen on my own, not on the laptop. Oh. Hey. Alright, y'all. So, you on 1 minute? Let's see what we got overall right now. So, We're currently for the Asian session. So for the Asian session, we see we currently got an uptrend. And it looks like the London is consolidating at the moment. But if we were to get in there and we look and see what we got going on. Currently right now we're far from a demand zone. Let me see. Oh no, there's a supply zone up there. Alright, y'all. Also, I'm going to be using this countdown timer to help me not have impatient entries and letting candles close before entering. So that's a big thing for me, is being impatient. Alright. So I better learn how to utilize oh, sorry y'all, I didn't put the correct one. Alright. So I want to start drinking tea in the morning to start my day. Peppermint tea to be exact, to help, get the body going, senses going, we up. So currently right now we have price approaching this London high. So if price breaks above, then we can anticipate bearish. See this? Price break above right now. So I can already position myself for a sell. Stop. Alright, well, a short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use horizontal ray. If we have a change of character. See that, y'all? See that? So I'm looking for a change of character. Remember, using this cone. The market's about to open up, but we also see that it's already broke past the market up. So once again, using this countdown timer to help me make sure candles close. I'm already ready for just an entry, what that would look like. This is crazy. So right now I got my short position tool ready for entry. So right now we have a break of the London high, which means we can prepare for a bearish bias, meaning the market is going to drop. So my level of entry is looking for a change of character when it comes back down. So right now, just being patient. Market is open, y'all. So let's see, I ain't ready. See, I'm right here. And I always want to check these because sometimes mine don't be right. So let's use this countdown timer before getting excited. While it's down, just have my TP already set. Hold on, y'all. It hasn't closed yet. We got 10 to 12 seconds. Let that thing close, and we're gonna enter. We entered. So I entered where I entered at on this red line. So I'm gonna move this down here. Move this down here. My stop still up there. Let it play out. So it's going down, y'all. See? I'm just riding that thing right now. Right now I'm practicing, you know. Wait for it to. See what 1 to 2 looks like. Right, y'all. So I'm not backing in profit yet, but we'll see what it's doing. Countdown timer is helping. So right now I'm seeing it, y'all. It did hit my TP, but let me wait to see what this candle do. Because it's on a fair value gap. And it's a long wick. So, see? Just being patient using this countdown timer. Let me see. Yeah. I'm letting the candle. Wow. See how I'm just going with it right now? Another fair value gap has formed. Wow. I'm seeing it, y'all. So the strategy is when. Hold on. Let the candle finish. Let the candle finish. That's a long wick. That's a long wick. That's a long wick. Let the candle close. That's okay, y'all. So I closed it, just decided to get out. But I could have got out down here. So what I would have preferred to practice during that. Alright, so I see it's going back up. So here, this is a long wick. I'll let that one close. It's okay. Cause look where I was at. Alright. So what I could do now, I got my 1 trade for the day. By the way, my goal is to make 2 trades per day. Alright, y'all. So look, y'all see we coming back up. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So let me get ready for another sell entry. Another one. But I need to see, let the candle finish. So while I'm letting the candle finish, doing it again here. break above? What is it going to finish above? Had a long wick off of it. Same thing. Where'd I get in there? Right here. Almost similar entry, y'all. Move this down. I'm getting that, y'all. Once again, I'm using this countdown. It's helping me, y'all. It's helping me a lot. So we had another rejection candle. We're here. Let's let the candle finish. Got another fair value gap. Yep. Another fair value gap trying to form. So I'm always gonna be patient using this countdown timer. I promise y'all, this countdown timer really helpful. Okay. This tea is good. Yeah. Look how good, y'all. So I had a good entry. It was a rejection candle. This candle closed below. So all I gotta do is just hold this, because we know it's gonna come back down. So I just gotta hold it. Fair value got 4. I'll let it get right here. Where did I enter? Okay. Yes, you guys. So me using this London high lets me know that this is a bearish bias. So I know that the market's gonna come back down, and the change of character was this candle coming back down, breaking, past this London high, and then having fair value gaps that are forming. See, being patient. All right. I'm waiting. So I'm using this London 50% where to catch my profit. Took profit, y'all. See? Try to let. See? Sound good. Alright, y'all. So this is the dope part. Dope part is today I made $1,307 paper trading the NASDAQ. I have 2 trades, and normally my goal is to make $250, to risk $250 and make $250 per trade. But using this London high, I was able to get in. So what I do love is that I didn't have to write that again. That one, it made sense for me. But let me just move it down just a little so it's easy to read on the chart. Alright, so I'm done for today. I made my 2 trades. I'm not going to overtrade, even though I see that price is still within this range, because I can, even though I know that, like possibly it can go back up. Wow. Okay. I'm done for today, but I'm going to, do my chart here. Actually, let me see if this line can be thicker. Yeah. Does that help? I feel like that does help, but it's all good. We already had it. You must be leaving. Great entry. Got 631. Boom. So I'm happy I woke up before, to catch that trade. Nope. Had a great exit at, what time was that? 6:35. And how much did I win on that one? Title sale. It didn't tell me. Oh, I could just use TradeZilla. Alright, y'all. So looking at the dashboard. I need to see where you're at here. Alright, bet. Dashboard. Boom. Y'all see that? Improvement. Well, alright. So look at these 2 trades. First trade. 646. Okay. And I entered it. Got this rejection candle. Bam. So this one, I let this play out. I let it come down. I entered on this second one. Alright. This one, I'm happy, let it close. Another great entry. What time I got into this? 6:37. Oh. 661. 640. Wow. Alright. Alright, we got another reflection, you guys. So, right now I am basically doing my visual journal diary. Or journal. This the journal style that I prefer. You guys understand how to trades in here. Say, look, y'all now look to the downside, but did here. I got out here, but it's still going. But let me see what this would have been if somebody still holding through it. And that's a long hold. Yep. If I took profit at the 50% loan. It's like, what's your name? Where you from, New York, in this? The high. Alright. I'm out for today, y'all. So, I took that going further. Alright, y'all. So I'm currently recording my trade because I am YouTube live streaming. Let me put this in there. Start putting this in there too. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I put this here just so you can see it's like alright, y'all. So I put this here. So my daily trade max is 2. Alright. My daily contract size is 10. Look at it. Y'all see how this got up to that? I'm just changing this back. Cause what? Alright. Daily risk per trade 250. Daily loss limit 50. Daily profit target 50. So I'm just putting that as like a reminder. And I'd rather put it as daily trades per day. Like max number, like something like that. See? Yep. We got that here. Now let's go here. Get the screenshot. Okay. Now let's go to and today is the most money I've made trading. So y'all see how I've only had 2 trades. This was me learning to remember the computer, Tradevate, had technical issues yesterday, today. Let's go. Let's go. Juice. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy this. Enter my entry. Tuesday. July. Yep. Yeah, I was done at what time, y'all? 6:40. So yeah, I literally made 1,310 minutes on paper trading. Yeah. What was my exact? 1307. Alright, y'all. Let me enter both images. Yeah, I'm really proud of myself. Like, and I'm proud of myself for relearning the strategy of how to use the London high and low Fibonacci as a way to trade and not just only trade off supply and demand. You know, like, that was pretty cool. And to see that I missed it yesterday. Okay, then we learn up on it. Let me have a better understanding of it. I'm telling y'all, I will be a profitable trader. Okay. 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 And it's July 21st. That's crazy. Oh, boom. See, I was trying to go into a whole thing, but I'm just gonna. So it wasn't what I learned, it's what I reflected on. So I should just say reflection. Yesterday I learned something like, oh, today I'm reflecting. It's a difference. I swear about me, yeah. Yeah. Hey. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. All right, Joe. So I am proud of myself for relearning the New York strategy yesterday to understand how to trade it using. No, you trade not using the London High. I'm extremely happy I learned about the countdown bar to close timer because it helped me be patient and it held me accountable to letting the candles close before entering a trade that confirmed my bias. Oh, yeah, I see how this screenshot. Whoa. Hold on, y'all. So, I actually need to. Oh. Okay. So make sure. Yeah. I didn't have to trade with that one. Okay. I'll put that in the upper right hand corner. Okay. Let's do. Oh, whoa. Let's go, y'all. And honestly, it just felt good to know what I was doing. You know, like that's what I really appreciate about today. Like I knew what I was doing. I knew what I was doing.
Yep. All right, y'all. That's it. All right, y'all. So I'm done for today. We 30 minutes on, 10 minute, 10 minute 2 trades, and journal entry. All right, y'all. I'm out. So let me end it over here on here. That's how it look. All right, y'all.